Hey guys, I'm Daphne and I want to thank you so much for checking out my quick video on understanding Facebook targeting. Today we are just going to do a quick rundown on this Facebook targeting. If you have not created a Facebook ads account, this is not the video for you. However, I do have some other options out there for you, but this is for the individual that has created their Facebook ads account and they can't quite figure out the targeting. So we're going to go over the pixel, interest-based targeting, and your custom audience and your lookalike audiences, which is all essentially the same thing because we're doing targeting, but I wanted to break it down for you. So who am I? What makes me qualified to even give you any type of information? Well, my name is Daphne Dunning, also known as DigiDav, and I have been working in the marketing and public relations world for over 10 years. My most recent experiences, I've worked as a freelancer with Buzz PR Marketing Group and also a full-time employee for Fortune 500 companies and a consultant to some small businesses. So in this time, I've been a marketing director, a public relations director, and I've also worked as a digital marketing specialist for a company. And as a digital marketing specialist, I spent years only working on Facebook ads, Instagram, SEO, SEM, and I'm pretty sure I have some information that will be very valuable for you and your business, whether it's your blog or your brick and mortar store. So I am a Facebook ads expert. I do have a relationship with Facebook. I can reach them if I'm having some difficulty, and I've had some very good calls with Facebook representatives over the past few years. I am also I am a marketing consultant, but I also am a marketing executioner. Maybe I shouldn't say executioner. I get things done. And I have a team of professionals that are pretty skilled if there's something that I'm lacking in. Um, I also teach, FYI, that's why I'm creating this quick video, because I want to help people, and I've I feel like I've been doing the world a disservice by not sharing the information that I've been burning to share over these few years. I do have a background in my undergraduate degree was in broadcast and public relations, and I had a minor in vocal performance. Then my master's program is communications and MBA in music business. So I do a little thing, a little this and that with the music world as well. But for the most part, I've been doing a lot of marketing and public relations for corporate clients. Got pixels. Yeah, that's my Bitmoji. So the pixel. Dun-dun-dun. I wanted to start off with got pixels because you've already created your Facebook ads account. The next thing is, did you create your pixel events? If you didn't, let's take a look at how you do that. So you log into your Facebook ads account, and you on the left hand side you select events manager, and this is where you will be prompted to create your pixel. Select data sources, and then you can click on get started. And mine isn't highlighted because I already have a pixel, but yours will be highlighted so that you can select get started, and this is where you will create your pixel. Now, if you do not do anything on your website and you have a developer, this prompts you to copy the HTML code that the developer needs, or you can provide them with the number and they can input a plugin onto your website based on the platform that you're using. I typically use WordPress and Shopify for my clients, so there are plugins and tools very convenient for this, but Facebook does have step-by-step based on your platform. Interest-based ads. I created this quick cheat sheet about 2 years ago, guys, and it's still pretty relevant. This is a breakdown of the things that you can target on your Facebook ad. If you're, we are going through a pandemic right now, And you might want to reach people once the world opens back up. Maybe you want to reach people that are they visit or they walk past your business, or they're in the vicinity. You can put the address of your business. Or how about this? What if you are a personal injury law firm and you want to target people that are at the hospital? I say that because I have a background in marketing personal injury law firms, and that's exactly what we did. You can do that in a more cost-effective way right here on Facebook. Right here. Maybe you are a real estate agent and you are looking for people that are looking to either sell or buy a home. Maybe you want to reach out, maybe you want to target people that are separated or recently divorced. They may need to sell a house, and then they're going to turn around and maybe they need to buy a house. Or maybe newlyweds. Maybe you want to reach out to someone who's newlyweds or recently promoted at their job. You can target people for almost anything. Maybe a competitor. Maybe, the business down the road has a huge presence and they're way larger than you. You can put their business name in there and you can target people that already like that business. It's beautiful. It's an amazing thing. It's probably hands down my favorite thing, my second favorite thing. My other favorite thing we are getting to. So how do we even do this? So when you're in your ads account, you're probably used to being prompt to, create your ad and then select traffic and then start putting your targeting information. That is a good way to do it. However, the most effective way to do it is by creating your audience in advance. And you can do this by going into your ads manager and selecting audience. See, I have it circled here. And then you can go in and create that audience. So here's where you can create that custom audience, with the targeting, or maybe that lookalike audience, which we're going to get to very soon, or a special ad audience. Special ads are employment ads or housing ads. There are strict guidelines so that you don't get fined when you are doing anything with in the financial world, real estate. You definitely want to make sure that you are abiding by the Facebook laws. So when you're creating that custom audience, you can go in and you can select people that are already in your customer list, which we are going to get to. But this is the screen that you will be prompted to once you select custom audience. So with a custom audience, you can build an audience based on the interest, based on that sheet that I shared with you guys in the previous slides, or you can use your current customer list. So say for instance, you are, you have an email list or a phone list and you want to reach out to the people that are already engaged with your business in some shape or form. Maybe you want to do a Facebook like campaign. In addition to that email you should be sending them, inviting them to like your page, you can actually upload them to Facebook. And if they have that phone number or email associated with Facebook, Facebook can then do an ad, and you can do like I said, do a fan page like ad campaign to your already people already in your database. So you would simply select a customer list when you do that, if you're interested in doing such. Now, my absolute favorite thing, guys, is the lookalike audience. I wish I had a way to echo right now, but I'm not going to go into all that extra production right now. Lookalike audience. This is certified gold, guys. Let me tell you why this is gold. You can go in and you can do several things. First, you can take that customer list that you already have, upload it to Facebook, and tell Facebook you want to create a lookalike audience. You want to find people that are already like your current customers. Doesn't it make it easy for you? I mean, you don't even have to really go into doing all that interest-based targeting and all that stuff, because you have a customer list. And Facebook, it has all that smart stuff, and it can go in and find people just like your current customers. It is amazing. Or maybe you have an ad that did so well, you want to create a lookalike audience. Or What about, that pixel that you put on your website, Well, maybe you want to find a lookalike audience, like the people that have already visited your website. Yeah, so that pixel is very handy. I mean, not only can you remarket to the people that have already gone to your website, right? I know you've shopped somewhere and you put something in your cart, and then next thing you know, you have an ad on Facebook the same day or maybe the next day. Yeah, they most likely had a Facebook pixel, and that pixel was able to go back and retarget to you. Same thing, man. Same thing. You can create a lookalike audience based on the people that engage with your website. It's a beautiful thing, right? All right, guys. I mean, wow. And once again, you go back to the custom audience, and this is where you do it. You would select website, or you could do other options, but these are the things that I traditionally like to use. If you want to create a custom audience based on maybe people that like your fan page, because to believe it or not, your fans aren't always seeing your content. Maybe there's something that you really need to get out there about your business. A good example is with the pandemic, a lot of businesses were shutting down, or maybe when they're opening up, they want to reach everyone that likes their fan page, but when they put the post up, they didn't have much engagement. So it's best that they go in and create a fan page custom audience and send that same post out to those individuals, so that they know that whatever information that they have going on, that they put that out. So maybe you have a special you want people to know about. This is another thing that you would do. Or maybe you did a lead page ad and you want to create an audience based off the people that submitted the lead form. It's a beautiful thing, guys. All right, well, that's all I have. Once again, I told you guys I wanted to make this a quick video. I hope you got some gems out of this. I do have a membership program that you guys can join. If you want more information on that, just simply send me a message, send a text message. You can go to my website at buzzprgroup.com and complete the consultation, and let's talk about what you're doing for your business. It's absolutely free. The free consultation is for 20 minutes. If you want to do a paid one, it is a fee. Now, if you prefer to send a text message, you can easily send it. You can text the words, text this to me. I need help marketing. I need marketing help to 404-890-5678. Once again, text I need marketing help to 404-890-5678. That's so easy to remember. 5678. All right, guys. Until next time, thank you for tuning in. Please like, share, and subscribe. Toodles.